is a short demo on how to program the visual inspection for the Mascot Verify system. We're going to start from the standard Mascot program, and from here we're going to want to import our auto image. If we don't already have one, we can create one by going to Edit, Auto Image, and Assign, and from Camera, or from File, if we do have one. I already have one loaded, so I will open it up. Once we have our image, we can see what we're doing, and we can start to choose what we want to inspect. If you want to inspect all components, we can select Inspect All, or if you want to select a custom amount of components or none of them, you can inspect none. And then if we click on our eye icon, we can start selecting custom icons. So if I want to choose this diode, I will take the Inspect box, and then I'm also going to choose an electrolytic capacitor and this connector for the purposes of the demo. Now, inside of the inspection screen, we can also see the search areas, which are these green boxes. We can move these around by dragging and dropping. You can also expand the search area, as well as rotating it if it is needed. Now we've selected what we want to scan. I will assemble a board in front of me, as can be seen. I will go over to the Vision tab, create all templates, and select Pass, as everything in front of me is a correct board. This will create the templates for these components. And now I want to train in an empty board. So I'll take out the components, repeat the previous step for missing. And then again, as these are all polarized components, I want to train in some errors. So I'll put my parts in with errors. And repeat the step again. So as you can see, programming the board is as simple as building the board. Now, if we wanted to add any further templates, such as we had a different colored electrolytic capacitor that is still completely valid, I would be able to create a template just for this component by selecting it, going under Templates, clicking on the Pass tab, and here I'll be able to capture, making sure it's correct, capture a new image, create below. This is also the same for training in any new errors. So I will just correct now. And now with the correct board again, we can test our inspection system by going to Vision, Test Inspections, and I will press Start. This is going to do a scan of the entire board and check each component that we've enabled Vision on. As you can see, for each component, we're going to get an image of what the camera saw, the status of the inspection. It's going to give you the part number and name, and then also the confidence values for the inspection. As you can see, this is a correctly assembled board, and I've got 3 ticks for correctly positioned items. If I turn this capacitor around and put it in incorrectly, if I unplug this connector, and I run these tests again, we will get an error for missing, and I run the capacitor, and we'll get an error for incorrect polarity. So you can see the symbols change, and we'll also get the most recent image of what it saw when it happened. And there you go. That's everything to do with programming the visual inspection for Mascot Verify system. Thank you.